The apprenticeship Randolph is a 4-year program that is primarily advanced manufacturing kind of geared, which machining falls under. During that 4 years, those students get on-the-job experience at the company that they're assigned to, usually around 6,000 to 8,000 on-the-job training hours during that 4-year period, along with a 2-year degree.
The beauty of Apprenticeship Randolph is most of these students have a job. They're sponsored by an employer. Hopefully the fit is correct from the beginning, and then, if everything goes well, they finish their course, they've got their degree, they already have the job. There was a time that getting dirty wasn't cool. Everybody thought, you go to school and you get this clean job somewhere. Well, manufacturing is not per se the cleanest environment sometimes, but it's very rewarding. At the end of the day, there's a pile of product there that didn't exist that morning, and you helped make it.
Getting into the whole feel of coming out of high school and then going to work, going to school 8 hours was fairly rough, but getting into the gist of it and finally finding a rhythm, it was really fun. It's really enjoyable.
This is a wonderful program. I can't express enough to the students what a tremendous opportunity this is. Training, on-the-job training, education paid for, earning a salary, actually getting some tenure in a job place. It's a wonderful opportunity.